I'm going to discuss a very important topic which mostly everybody is going to be interested, and the topic is obesity. Obesity, as you know, is a root cause of many big diseases like diabetes, heart problems, asthma, heart block, arthritis. There are so many disorders which are connected to obesity. Once your weight is increasing day by day, then you start getting your blood sugar rising, then your cholesterol will start to rise, your triglyceride will start to rise, and day-to-day activity will also become very difficult for you to perform. So, according to Ayurveda, obesity is nothing but the metabolic disorder. When your metabolism is not correct, the food what you are eating doesn't get digested properly. Half food gets digested and more than half of the food converts into mucus. And this mucus stays in your system, then it becomes slowly fermented. It produces lots of gases, lots of water retention, and this excess of water, air and mucus, when it stays inside your body, when it doesn't come out, then you start to gain weight, you start to bloat, or you start to have water retention in different areas of your body. The root cause is wrong diet and wrong lifestyle. When you correct these two things, automatically you can get rid of any of the sickness or any of the disease. And believe me, if you will try the remedies which I am going to share you today, 100% you will start losing pounds. Average 2 to 3 pounds you will start to lose every 15 days. Now we go to the diet part. Best diet according to Ayurveda for losing weight is moong. You must be knowing about green beans you get in Indian grocery store. They are of three kinds. One is whole green beans, which is called moong, and there are two split moong beans. One split comes with the skin, which is called as green moong dal, and the another one is without the skin, which is called yellow moong dal. And you can eat any recipes out of whole moong, green moong dal or yellow moong dal. For example, this is a yellow moong dal. So from the yellow moong dal, you can make moong dal soup, or you can make flour out of moong dal and make moong dal chilla or pancakes. You can put garlic, onion, ginger or any spices you like in it. But remember, don't put anything sour, because sour things will always help you to get water retention and fluid accumulation in your body. So you can make any recipes out of moong dal or whole moongs. First thing you have to remember is start your diet first 3 days only with moong soups. You can make moong in any liquid form, like you can put water in it, you can put all the spices in it and make proper soup. Boil it properly and make soupy foods out of moong. But when you are doing moong recipe, you are not allowed to eat any other foods, like even fruits or rice should be avoided. First 3 days, just have moong soup, moong water, and as much as possible drink warm ginger water. Now I'll tell you how to make warm ginger water. Take fresh ginger root like this and just take a piece which is around 2 cm in size. Take this much ginger, fresh ginger, and make little paste kind of thing. Don't make proper paste, but just smash it like this and use this ginger. Put 500 ml water. Approximately you can put around 3 glasses of water and boil it properly. It can also be called as ginger tea. And like this, 1 cup of ginger water, you can drink at least 5 to 6 times a day. If you want to keep the same water, you just have to put it in a thermos and keep on drinking whole day along with the moong diet for first 3 days. And remember to take castor oil 1 teaspoonful at bedtime with warm water. Castor oil will not only help you to reduce weight, but also it will help you to get rid of small joint issues. Like sometimes we get some back stiffness or difficulty in getting up or some neck stiffness, that will also go away with the castor oil. So this is for first 3 days you have to follow the remedies. Then after 3 days you can start with some vegetables like squashes you get, then zucchini, green leafy vegetables you can start adding into your moong soup. And continue following the moong diet and castor oil and ginger tea. Along with that you can start adding vegetables. After certain period, when you start feeling more hungry and you start feeling more lighter and you start losing pounds, then after maybe 15 or 20 days you can slowly start having rice, but not basmati rice, because basmati will help you to put on weight. So try having more brown rice or jasmine or kolam or other kind of rice which are very easy to digest. Try to have more and more light foods, more natural foods without preservative, without tin, microwave or fermented food. Try to have more whole grains like barley or millet or corn, that kind of whole grain flour you can use. And also you can use bread which are not having gluten. The whole grain breads, toasted if you are having, then it will not create fermentation and it will not help you to put on weight. But that also, if you want to lose weight fast, try to avoid bread and products which are all made up of wheat. Try to have more lightly cooked, warm, liquid and soupy food that will help you to lose weight very fast. So these were the home remedies for obesity, and I am sure if you will start doing the remedies regularly, you will also see excellent result in your life. And I'll be back with many more remedies.
Subscribe for more such informative videos.